If you have been looking for that body lotion that will hydrate, moisturize, and protect your skin, this video is for you, and this lotion is that lotion for you. You want to watch this video to the very end because you don't want to miss out on all the tea about this lotion. This is the Aqua Rich Hydrate and Protect body lotion. It's marketed as a deeply hydrating body lotion that also forms a protective barrier on your skin. It is designed for daily use on all skin type, including very sensitive skin. The texture of this body lotion is lightweight and it is non-greasy. It also absorbs really quickly, so you can apply it without actually waiting for it to sink into your skin. Now let's move on to the key ingredients of this body lotion and their benefits. The first ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is a powerful humectant that draws moisture into your skin, which helps to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. You can see what I'm talking about. The next ingredient is shea butter. Yes, there's shea butter in here. Shea butter is always known for nourishing dry skin. So you have dry skin. You already know which lotion to get. This body lotion. Don't let me talk two times. Don't let me talk too much. Shea butter also helps to provide protective barrier for your skin. The next ingredient is Aqua Rich complex, or you can say hyaluronic acid. Yes, when I say it's a powerhouse for hydration, this is what I'm talking about. Particular ingredient is very excellent for locking in moisture into your skin, which makes your skin feel plump and supple. It also contains aloe vera juice, which helps to calm your skin. If you know aloe vera, like if you've used aloe vera, the natural aloe vera, you already know that aloe vera helps to calm the skin, right? This actually contains aloe vera juice, which what helps to calm your skin. You know what I'm talking about. All my sensitive skin girls, get in here and get this lotion for yourself. It also contains ceramides. Yes, ceramides helps in repairing your skin barrier. If you know that you have broken, damaged skin, you know that you have bleached for years and you are looking to repair your skin, go and get this lotion and start with it. Go and get this lotion and do what? Start with it. It's going to help to repair your skin barrier. It's going to help to restore your skin barrier. It's also going to help to protect your skin barrier. Okay. The formula is designed to hydrate, protect, and improve the skin's texture over time. So let's move on to how to use this body lotion. How do you use this body lotion to get the best results of this body lotion? So firstly, you have to use this body lotion on a damp skin. So when you are done taking your bath, don't dry out your skin completely. You leave a little bit of moisture on your skin, then you work this into your skin. You go in with this body lotion to lock in the moisture and use this lotion morning and night. When you're applying this body lotion, you focus on your dry areas like your knees, your elbows, and even your heels. You need to allow full absorption of this lotion into your skin for like 1 or 2 minutes. It's even lightweight enough for you to use it multiple times in a day. Yes, you can use it multiple times in a day. You don't have to apply it just once. You can take it out. You can just take a little and put it in a small size container. You can even use it as a hand cream. Even within here, like you can use it on the face, but I've not tried to use it on my face. Now let's move on to my own personal experience about this lotion. Using this lotion for 2 months. Yes, this is actually a 500 ml body lotion. So I got it for the price of 9,500 naira. The reason why I got this body lotion, I needed a body lotion that I can use daily and also body lotion that I can use on days that I exfoliate my skin with a scrub. Yes, because sometimes when you're done exfoliating your skin will be more sensitive to the sun. It will be very sensitive. It can be irritated. So this body lotion come in handy for me when I exfoliate my skin. Here is what I noticed. The texture is smooth and silky. When I mean smooth and silky, like it's almost like, I don't know how to put it. It's not sticky at all. When I apply this lotion, it absorbs into my skin. And also, one thing about this lotion is that it's non-greasy. It's very lightweight lotion that absorbs into my skin really, really well. And ever since I started using this lotion, I've noticed that my skin is smoother, my skin is more hydrated, my skin is softer. It will give you that newborn baby feeling when you are using this body lotion. It doesn't have this overpowering fragrance that, if you have sensitive skin or sensitive nose, it might, trigger you. This lotion, the scent is almost like scentless. Like the scent is very, very mild. The fragrance so mild that you can almost not perceive anything. And it's also a great body lotion that you can use to layer your perfumes. Yes, it's a good body lotion that is not overpowering, and you can use it to layer your perfume. One thing you need to note is, if you know that you have a very, very dry skin, you might need to reapply this lotion or pair it with a body oil. Yes, that is hydrate the skin doesn't mean that the oil is rich enough to really pop out or give you that deep glow. Okay, but if you want it to give you deep glow, you need to apply it multiple times, yes, and also apply it again and again and again throughout the day, or you just apply it once and pair it with a body oil. Now, let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of this body lotion. It's deeply hydrating without feeling greasy on the skin. It is lightweight and fast absorbing. It is suitable for all skin types. It also contains antioxidants like vitamin E. It has a subtle and pleasant scent. Then for the cons, it might need extra application for extremely dry skin. Packaging is actually not ideal for traveling. Yes, so if you want to travel with this lotion, you have to maybe take a little bit from here and put it in a small size container. Okay, but overall the benefits definitely outweighs the minor drawback. So this body lotion is for people with normal to dry skin, those who want a non-greasy daily moisturizer, anyone looking to protect their skin from dryness or environmental stress, and also for busy people that don't have time to wait for body lotion to sink into their skin. You just want to apply your body lotion and get it all done with. If you know that you're looking for a reliable body lotion that will keep your skin soft, hydrated, smooth and protect, this is definitely the body lotion to try out. To give this body lotion 4.5 out of 5 stars for its texture, hydration and gentle formula. Trust me, this body lotion delivers on its promises. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried this body lotion, the Aqua Rich Hydrate and Protect body lotion? Have you tried it before? Let me know your experience, your thoughts, your opinions, and if everything. I want to know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.